Get on.
Get on.
Please get on the bus.
Please get on the bus.
I am getting on the bus.
I am getting on the bus.
Get off.
Get off.
Please get off the bus. Please get off the bus. I am getting off the bus.
I am getting off the bus.
Put on.
Put on.
I have to put on my dress.
I have to put on my dress.
Put on new shoes.
Put on your shoes.
Take of.
Take of.
He takes off his uniform.
He takes off his uniform.
The plane will take off soon.
The plane will take off soon.
Throw up.
Throw up.
I threw up.
I threw up.
The dog may throw up on the rug.
The dog may throw up on the rug.
Look after.
Look after.
Can you look after her?
Can you look after her?
Who looked after her?
Who looked after her?
Fill in.
Fill in.
Fill in the blanks.
Fill in the blanks.
Can you please fill in the form?
Can you please fill in the form?
Look for.
Look for.
What are you looking for?
What are you looking for?
I am looking for a cat.
I am looking for a cat.
Work out.
Work out.
Workout is good for body.
Workout is good for body.
Workout strengthens the body.
Workout strengthens the body.
Go on.
Go on.
It goes on ringing.
It goes on ringing.
She goes on speaking.
She goes on speaking.
Give up.
Give up.
They gave up without a fight.
They gave up without a fight.
I give up.
I give up.
Talk over.
Talk over.
Talk over problems.
Talk over problems.
Did you talk over the matter?
Did you talk over the matter?
Argue with.
Argue with.
Don't argue with him.
Don't argue with him.
It's not good to argue with him.
It's not good to argue with him.
Pin on.
Pin on.
He tried to pit on me.
He tried to pit on me.
You can't pin the blame on her.
You can't pin the blame on her.
Hold back.
Hold back.
She tried to help back her tears.
She tried to help back her tears.
There's no holding him back.
There's no holding him back.
Blackout.
Black out.
She blacked out today.
She blacked out today.
Why did you black out?
Why did you black out?
Pass away.
Pass away.
He had passed away by them.
He had passed away by them.
Her father passed away last week.
Her father passed away last week.
Wake up.
Wake up.
I usually wake up early.
I usually wake up early.
Waking up early is good. Waking up early is good. Get up.
Get up.
Get up from the bed.
Get up from the bed.
Mom asked me to get up.
Mom asked me to get up.
Grow up.
Grow up.
They grew up well.
They grew up well.
They're grown up now.
They're grown up now.
pick up.
Pick up.
Pick her up.
Pick her up.
Quickly pick her up.
Quickly pick her up.
Throw away.
Throw away.
Don't throw him away.
Don't throw him away.
Throw away the garbage.
Throw away the garbage.
Run away.
Run away.
He tried to run away.
He tried to run away.
Why did he run away?
Why did he run away?
Make after.
Make after.
The police made after him.
The police made after him.
He can make after her easily.
He can make after her easily.
Pig out.
Pig out.
Let's pig out today.
Let's pig out today.
Have you ever pigged out?
Have you ever pigged out?
Eat out.
Eat out.
We usually eat out.
We usually eat out.
I love eating out.
I love eating out.
Run over.
Run over.
The truck ran over her.
The truck ran over her.
My dog almost got run over.
My dog almost got run over.
Break down.
Break down.
The car broke down in the way.
The car broke down in the way.
The mobile has broken down.
The mobile has broken down.
Clean up.
Clean up.
Clean up your room.
Clean up your room.
I need to change the cleanup.
I need to change the cleanup.
Pack up.
Pack up.
They packed up and went home.
They packed up and went home.
He began packing up his things.
He began packing up his things.
Tear up.
Tear up.
He tore it up.
He tore it up.
The rabbits tore up all the papers.
The rabbits tore up all the papers.
Write down.
Write down.
Write down the name.
Write down the name.
You must write it now.
You must write it now.
Hang on.
Hang on.
Hang on, I'm not quite ready.
Hang on, I'm not quite ready.
Hang on for a second.
Hang on for a second.
Hang up.
Hang up.
Don't hang up.
Don't hang up.
Mom hung up the phone.
Mom hung up the phone.
To go on flames.
To go on flames.
The house went on flames.
The house went on flames.
The car went on flames.
The car went on flames.
Put off.
Put off.
He put off the fire bravely.
He put off the fire bravely.
It is not easy to put off fire.
It is not easy to put off fire.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on, I am almost ready.
Hold on, I am almost ready.
Hold on for a while.
Hold on for a while.
Let go.
Let go.
Let go the cat.
Let go the cat.
Will you let it go?
Will you let it go?
Blow up.
Blow up.
My dad blew up when he saw the bill. My dad blew up when he saw the bill.
My dad blew up when he saw the bill. My dad blew up when he saw the bill.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Calm down for a minute and listen to me. Calm down for a minute and listen to me.
Calm down for a minute and listen to me. Calm Calm down for a minute and listen to me.
Let down.
Let down.
Don't let down your parents. Don't let down your parents.
Don't let down your parents. Don't let down your parents.
Break.
Break.
I broke up with him because he was selfish.
I broke up with him because he was selfish. I broke up with him because he was selfish.
I broke up with him because he was selfish. Chop up.
Chop up.
I helped my mom by chopping up the veggies.
I helped my mom by chopping up the veggies.
I helped my mom by chopping up the veggies.
I helped my mom by chopping up the veggies.
Hand in.
Hand in.
Kindly hand in the papers to him. Kindly hand in the papers to him.
Kindly hand in the papers to him. Kindly hand in the papers to him.
Break in.
Break in.
The thief broke in the house at midnight. The thief broke in the house at midnight.
The thief broke in the house at midnight. The thief broke in the house at midnight.
Act up.
Act up.
They were afraid.
They were afraid. They were afraid.
They were afraid. Let out.
Let out.
Please let out the secret.
Please let out the secret.
Please let out the secret.
Please let out the secret.